Another malakan yam ka nas diala kontin barwani lingwasame berkamalan wala shanga jandang raw de dish ka pairo ron kina dangro wudi jandang raw bakel report ban nyakel ka jan information ban pass ni tama kimbe kono lade jom inshallah wudu shal ka nhial deng nhial te ka jom inshallah mi inshallah de shela ratin no ka ta dan dong shi kume kirmi yadi che na che ga to ka minna ka keja don't worry so ban report dan chigal la men chalat gwas me ki men che chair ban je linkel report kan me raja long ka ta dan nan chukoriya to ka je ka jongle state men je ga dan chala da kum kirmi yadi gwan mi che gorno kirmi yadi ban Nuer be ka dil nak na jentala je melodian melada kan yam yamo je ka brief introduction ka queen nhial deng ko biya ko le te ka ngaiten nhial deng generam kel mila ko te kel gane kirmi yadit ruon kindang rawi wal joke dane bi civil war ko to no jan shela do shechi ke jen kel gane documentar ko documentar me gore ne jani queen kwara lat ke je ka lo kirmi yadi de shati jen nhial deng ne jin okay kami mi ngwene ken jen yene dak mi char ka je jela do wen gwe je no bikir mi yadit brother lo gera ba dong chebu ngot chebu woni am ka tin jerin kono lede chewe jan tai da ne jan me chegwij me dot heja jane ka tai da ne shine dot ka je jan tel mi chor lo gera no che chu kana lo chicken lamat kana kira jene ka rundi alti ngaja dom bikir brother ger la na gushi sar bikir brother ger but tel me ger or ka kirma yadit so ko kuje mo jene jan chechu decide and when bajian nhial deng chewe ka party dung United People Alliance men right ke apagana mom chore na matkel chero mo ka party radian but che ol amre UPA ko UPA jana mat bon te chop ko ngwan te ne to ke dini ken so ke dini ken mat gwa kel jo ay chol UPA dem right now che bon che mare je mi win mean that bon dak ti cha mat gwa kel chol ke UPA gwa de me ne kana gorno bi ko mat ken dak ma char ko dong de mat ke ma char ban nge jen o jen reng ma char cha lo ga jang no ko wo no so e gujen ngwana baro do mo ke dino do dien shit ka pad de me chele bone pad de men chele gwazamo chala pad mi jen bilat ba compete bone re competition kon lat ke queen kwari ke jaron kin dan ya nan ba kele me do no ngot chiang kan kem yadit kan goro bi mal ben so the only people that can fight right now kum spele ayu kaniten kon goro jeno de change daraben ko mitele change tele mal de bre wi ke South Sudan nhial deng te ka warga mi shagor shelat ka social media bana kwen balo ya kata da na shagor kaje no chela no kirmi yadi te ka ti jek ti shalat te bej te lat ke jor ka kwidien ka lat ke kirmi yadi jor ka kwidien ka jene ka ti George chela ro ne President Kiir governance has been marred by controversy and criticism. Here are some key points. Jene kume rich Kiir mayadit, chagwi jeno take a tijek teacher lat ki lat karodian. Jo kan take den contin jekten koni kume Kiir mayadit kalat. Tin kwet ke kume Kiir mayadit keja. Manyam corruption. South Sudan chaja kwan alo te kane tin kon tin chi corrupt ka witen koken cha kwan alo te karang ki man chejek te ka 179 we country into chop ka 180 alo we into chop ko korean badak tin chi corrupt wa te ka number korean baro wit bang mandien Mishale Transparency International Corruption Perception Index. Need ti la kan need we don't content corrupt la kan ka gorpin ba ka list. Ba country corrupt long. Mention ka look ka ci di yek ci kalat ba jalat gwada danan chungatin President Salva Kiir Mayardit kumede cha jiganojen she youth shop ke billion US dollar dijeka ka oil revenue ki dijeka ka jat ka petroleum cha ka jako ba ka cham che man ki ne ka ten kon kel ka ja cha gorno ne ejen men yammen yarkum Kiir Mayardit corruption South Sudan rang 179 out of 180 countries in Transparency International Corruption Perception Index. President Salva Kiir Mayardit government has been accused of embezzling billions of dollars in oil revenues. Amichala na mekel kertin yarke rich Kiir Mayardit when michala dojen cha corrupt ba man dan ko corrupt ke jabala so kum Kiir Mayardit je ke lalat ke jor ke man ya majene corruption ko cha yuten kon kwala jek kajat ke petroleum chekabat nhial deng nhial modien nyoko ladnene jen modien a kordan to gre wika South Sudan jen conflict and violence tare kan kor kon lat gre wika South Sudan million atina atu gna civil war awona ke intercommunal violence kor kam dori awona ko ba hok ba ka kwal ke ba hok ba ka page ka ba thousand of people ba ka nak ka ba million of people ba ka displaced ke ba ka juj awa ajen kel en nyodo kuma Kiir Mayardit cha corrupt mangai kon dialno winmete ter te ka kor ta violent ten michi civil war che banalo nyen dor kana dor ko tok chen war kana jang chi gnyen antame chala jien we tugdeli pon jana pan ken karodian tugdeli ken nyenka mi jin we dor ko ken ba tugdeli ken nyenka anga to ga namo Kiir anyong mi chuna ko be 1000 people ken ti ken bi ke liu ka ba ne ti chup ke million time door ne ti time door barabar they which work ka neighboring countries work ka Kenya work ka Uganda work ka Ethiopia you know and reja mo cha la roj mejek chi roj mo kwa nyudo kono kuma Kiir Mayardit cha la kuma mejek right nhial deng nhial mana dien cha nyola do nena economic mismanagement eno buj bateka bot ki batel kon ki bateka insecurity ka batel development manan ka chet ka dole tarai ne share no bigatel wangu wa cha kwakten takana sha ka manaja gwa cha ga le ka do budan de which they can benefit ka je ko chen get you to even billion US dollar but Kiir Mayardit dang ne ka ne ten kon tie ga je ku na la kok ne te kon tin bukule la lo yal ka je na mo wa kel mi je kalon economic mismanagement. The economy is in shambles with hyperinflation, food insecurity, and a severe lack of infrastructure. Now, may I tell me, Yarkum Kiir Mayardit, man dadian, human rights abuse. Ano ba na ba kan nagdiyo je chikon dial chana kanan. Nhial deng nhial chela do nene human rights abuse ngum naka men ka je ngum naka gat ka je ngum boka na ke bom ne ka je special ne kon shal Nuer. January jaga bokana ka chemical weapon use a chemical weapon use a gunship name a human right abused so Kiir Mayardit roide chala roin mujek chi roin magwa roin mujek mala chala mujek so roide take a corruption kelo the nation jek and point the NO yala kwa billion US dollar kwa gale generating weka kaja weka family da fund da Kiir Mayardit chicken ideal chicken benefit weka kajem ne ken kaneten konen tienden ten wana mo gwan mi monetin wane kere wika South Sudan chushken samugo commission me bejelo chana men webe ka humanitarian crisis re wika South Sudan ne kono shush ne ala kuloga dan de tup melat ke jen wona ne 7 million people me shushkan ka bot tel kon me jekana tel piu tel gwato ketin ngam de ka lok ni jekana kan ka lok ngal de jen wona ne be South Sudan ne dial kon ten bi ka lan nuet ne bi ka na ten non ke bi ka nuet ko tele ka kon mu chum ka tele ka piu tron ko chana cha ga jo gwan mi mo deran no da ro da le katan buj ba te ka bot ga da dab ko buga lan wan ni ko tele kon merong tele med merong me 2 million take care of this camp right now ka 7 million shushkan rai wika South Sudan la tele health care mi jekana tele education mi jekana alo cha ka block a kiir just go be bariang ke batu ka power so I mean that you the gentleman let kiir mi yadi de chi rich mo kwa arrange mi shiro lot arrange mi jak na me ajonga ajo ni aldenya jenyo la do nene mi kuer mi bakene lo che salaries che ga yorpin chet ka yor kon la kap ke aneten kon la civil servant chet ke ngech la teacher chet ke ne kon la police ni ne kon ganka witch ne kon la government workers material mi jekana anyok there's no job mit kam ka ngwen kam ka ne dial anyo dia wuja mo che tedi cha dak gwan mi mo use kem yadi use a guard tiene nanka de ka bom na me ke lew chalde chale human right abuse ko jen michi lang du mangwa ante ke chi use gwa kula nang na nekeke ko ke staff ko baje ba bene diaru den gong nyamdo ko men de tena la yos ke dictator te ke mishalat ala dictator and wo ba chole dictator by the way ala jen man yamla le la de kana na ko dwala ko mo madwe de tena gwa mo jebetu yi kwam. But now we can divide, but division we create within. Which a division create a genta dan baka kula govern ka jake baka right ke because mitna taken unity. She be feel comfortable ko be ngajeno unity mo baje jo chan point and kwera mo chermelet kir mi yadida. The yen terminated content chadak kana kaf Nuer kana jang let ken kel no she can let kel. Ngay kon diala tin Nuer kan let kel kana ja right now cha ga jan diala nan ka SSPDF ku ko lenyen kan Nuer we ga kan dor kena ko kena kon te tin ba ga nan ga front line ya nyen kan Nuer ga doran echel lawo dong de gang South Sudan ko South Sudan cha de gang kan Nuer de gang ne ja ka jor ko kien te we da de ko la ro chan doran chan e ga South Sudan we ne dial but kir mi yadi ko ram goro betek wi kwam te mi shalen gwadme che goro te ram mo bu kombi dikso man belel bana ba kada ne to kan ba ko mo ko yutu ngwan jen menen yena chang cha li cha de ko ne de konte rianga tama ke National Security Service ka South Sudan ne te rianga tama ke close friend ka kir mi yadi ten gang ka kweratan ke ne to ba ko mo ke yobu ne to bu kana kulo ko we can military we can get train take a day in a secret military to quite train somewhere ko gorgano michi this SSPDF to fail taken ke reserve mten gwasmo na me jelet kir mi yadida dia jamichi ko raje dana chalat no wal de kon lingano ne ala wudu chalol gar ko de sharaj yala do ne jana shanga dana we SPLI we chubrai we chikan kon bipal kon dial changa lat ci kon bu jek janne to buga ben ko organize it structure mi chare alaka kan gwa dana be katen ci kon bu ti kwam kon e ti changa dor chana bu jek bana ring kon dial a jan mu gwa wode na kir mi yadi de ne chonga jekel chela da joch no which means that ku kan na ku mi kir mi yadi anyway let me read information cha gora nyal de nyal ka kor gwa dan paiwa baje kwen ka tuk English yomi down broad ka legend according to nhial post on social media it is read like this. President Salva Kiir Mayardit's governance has been marred by controversy and criticism. Here are some key points. Number 1, corruption. South Sudan ranked 179 out of 180 countries in Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index. President Salva Kiir Mayardit's government has been accused of embezzling billions of dollars in oil revenues. Number 2, conflict and violence. The country has been plagued by civil war, intercommunal violence, and cattle raiding, resulting in hundreds of thousands of deaths and millions of displaced, according to Deng. Economic mismanagement. The economy is in shambles with hyperinflation, food insecurity, and a severe lack of infrastructure. Human rights abuse, according to nhial, the government has been accused of suppressing dissent, restricting media freedom, and committing atrocities against civilians. President Salva Kiir tenure has been marked by devastating consequences for South Sudan. Corruption has ravaged the nation, with billion in oil revenue leaning the pocket of select few while the majority struggle to survive. The economy lies in shambles, crippled by hyperinflation and a severe lack of infrastructure. The humanitarian crisis is catastrophic. Over 7 million face severe food insecurity with widespread malnutrition and famine. More than 4 million are displaced, including 2 million refugees fleeing violence. Health care and education system are on the brink of collapse. Human rights abuses are rampant, with the government accused of suppressing dissent, restricting media freedom, and committing atrocities against civilians. The international community has imposed sanctions on President Salva Kiir Mayardit and other officials for obstructing peace and undermining stability. The people of South Sudan are paying the price for failed leadership. Basic services like health care, education, and clean water are scarce. The country's future hung in the balance, with many questioning Kiir's ability to lead the nation forward. As a good governance, some key things could make a big difference. For example, according to nhial, genuine leadership change. A leader who prioritizes citizen welfare and is committed to transparency and accountability could be a game changer. Inclusive governance. A government that represents all communities and work toward common goal could reduce conflict and promote stability. Economic diversification. Investing in agriculture, infrastructure, and service could create jobs and stimulate growth. Peace and reconciliation. Addressing historical grievances and promoting dialogue among communities could help heal wounds. International support. Targeted aid and support from the international community could help rebuild infrastructure and institutions. But let's be real, according to nhial, it is not just about one thing. It is a combination of these factors and more. The people of South Sudan deserve a government that works for them, not just a select few. Some potential step forward. Number one, free and fair election. According to nhial, a chance for citizens to choose their leader and hold them accountable is free and fair election. Number two, anti-corruption. According to nhial, anti-corruption effort. Investigating and prosecuting corruption could restore trust in institutions. Number three, community-driven development. Empowering local communities to drive their own development could lead to more effective solutions. It is a tough road ahead, according to nhial, but with collective effort and commitment, South Sudan can move toward a brighter future. Nhial gwasa me kajo chalati mi konlinge ala kuma Kiir Mayardit che goro take a mal medeben cause goro be take a power. Kiir goro jana be take a power for a very long time. Ngai kone rai wike South Sudan coach na choose karundial. The only way forward right now is for Kiir to be removed from the government, from the position, and put someone else there. Ajen magorjan wo dene dial de kan kwar no lo dien de kan kwan chu Kiir je fail already. So en kwar mi che fail je jan no kono be jen talwe ko nge jo already mu election we talk and emerson wo teramimo be kwan ba kwan ne di kokien. That is why Kiir dwale long ko de queen kwar de jalat. So na me je report ana gore de nyu akon ken ti charm de lar gor pingwal mi jira ma jidi gwas ma gor no jen we subscribe and wait for more update ketin kon be ben biatemal